Hi everyone. Now we talk about stars, how to put stars on the this axis of our bar chart. How? First, we should look at our data. Okay, we see we have satisfaction rate column, and we need to replace these numbers with stars. I recommend this site of Unicode symbols, and you can choose what kind of symbols you want. I'm looking for star. Okay, we have star kinds here. Okay, maybe it's okay for me. Or maybe okay. Now I need to create new column. Just converting this to stars. For this, we will use a wrapped function. First, I should give name. Okay, star. It can be star equals wrapped. Text will be our unichar. That symbol that we copied and passed here. Number of times satisfaction rate. Now, what does wrapped do? It just duplicates the unit chart as much as this number. If it is 5, it shows 5 star, or if it is 4, it shows 4 star, or it's 1. If it's 1, it shows 1 stars. Okay, maybe we can choose 2. It will show 2 stars. Okay, now we can create our bar chart. And for creating bar chart, we should just choose a bar chart and just put our star on y-axis, and we need counts to axis. For this, we should calculate count of rows. For this, we go to new measure, just count rows. Look, we see our bar chart, and we can change its color. And y-axis also. And data label. No, it's okay. But if you want to sort with by star, sort axis star, yes, because 1 star is more than 2 star, but if we want to sort by stars, it should be like this. Okay, see you later.